Welcome to a big spring cleaning motivation video. I have had this on my to-do list for a while. I'm just propping you up on my tripod. And today I'm actually gonna start with the living room. I never start with the living room first. I always go kitchen first. But if you are looking for a really big cleaning motivation video, then this is the one. So let's get in and do some spring cleaning.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chance to say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chance to say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love.
Living room is done. The couch has been upholstery cleaned and everything's dusted and fresh. I haven't dusted my TV unit in months, so it really needed it. But that's done. Now onto the rest of this room.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chance to say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of
My machine finally needs to be descaled. I have the cleany thing here. I've just never done it before, so I don't actually know what I'm doing. I feel like I looked it up this morning. I got a manual. Here we go. So, eject the capsule. Empty the container. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my online store, The Inventory, which has planners, both physical and digital. I'll have a link to it in the description. But if you are looking to create a website, a blog, or an e-commerce store like I have, then I would recommend looking at Squarespace, as they have a whole range of templates to choose from to get you started. You also have the ability to connect to all of your social media accounts to make cross-promoting across the various platforms really easy. There's also a range of third-party apps that you can connect to for shipping, accounting, inventory tracking, everything to make running your business a whole lot easier. They also have a great range of analytics where you can see where your traffic is coming from and what products are performing the best, and that way you can make more informed decisions about the future of your business. So if you are looking to start a website, then head to squarespace.com and use my code, or click the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Kitchen is almost done. This is the cleanest this sink and this corner has been for a while, so it was very much needed. I have one thing left to do in here besides the floors, and that is restock this cupboard. I had plumbers come in this morning. There's still a massive hole in the back, but because the plumbers came in, I had to take everything out, and what I actually did was clean the entire thing. So I wiped out this bottom part, which is actually a drawer, and then I also did the insides of the door, so we're nice and clean in here. I now need to put everything back in. I did say that my under sink organization was one of the things that I wanted to do. I kind of gave it a go a couple weeks ago. It's not perfect, but it has been staying quite organized under there for, yeah, I guess the last couple of weeks. So let's put everything back.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of
This is the current organization. At the back over there, I have reusable bags. I have a recycling bin here in the front. I have my Nespresso pods, which are also on top of my Swiffer wet floor wipe cleaners. I have 2 rolls of paper towel down the back. In this box, I have dishwasher tablets. This little container is just filled with like all the cleaning products. I have a dish mat here, and then at the back, this is just a bag filled with other plastic bags that I can use for garbage bags. But that's pretty much it. It is organized. It's just not pretty, but it is organized.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
I really thought I was done with the kitchen. It's nice and clean, but I do have to do the mirror, and then I also need to do this little thing here because it's very, very dusty. So let's get that done.
You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
Okay, next up, I need to work on my hallway. I have so much recycling that needs to go out. I have so many shoes. I actually just neatly stacked them together, but that was about an hour ago. Before that, they were just a complete pile of shoes, and I just need to get the hallway done.
List of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love.
Hallway looks so much better. I only have 2 pairs of shoes left out now because these are the ones that I use the most. I still have to take these down to the bin room, but I did get rid of the rest of the recycling. And then here in the hallway, I have my laundry basket. I really don't like how little room there is in the bathroom. It's been here for a few days. I just don't know what to do with it. It just takes up so much room in the bathroom. There's no room in the laundry for it, and I don't really want to put it in my bedroom, and I just don't know what to do with it. So for the moment, it's out here in the hallway. Next, we should move on to the bathroom. There's a lot going on in here. It really needs a good clean. So I'm gonna do the bath and the shower and just everything because it needs it all. done, actually. I'm gonna wash this one. Got a pile of washing down here. Gonna grab this one too. And then I'm gonna do the floors tomorrow, like the entire place floors tomorrow. But yeah, bathroom is done, hallway's done, kitchen and living room are done. I've decided I'm just gonna wash all of this now. Just get it over and done with. I'm just gonna check my clothing basket and see if there's anything else in here that could go in. Nah, I think it's mostly just clothes. All right, I'm gonna leave that and put this little washing on.